All right, what's up, YouTube? It's Urban Trades here, back with another video. It's a day trading recap. Yesterday, I basically took one trade. I made $6,602, I believe. It was kind of a crazy trade. I wasn't expecting to make that much. It kind of just played out to be that much. I have a live recording of it that I'll post in the video. Maybe I'll do it before or after this cut, but before or after this cut. But anyways, so let's get into it. I waited till market open, and I didn't wait for my 15-minute range play that I like to trade. Um, well, I got a bunch of lines on my chart I need to get rid of. So pretty much I built a little trend line, and once we cracked that, I entered um, because it was up near VWAP and the 21 EMA. So basically, we came down, we made a low, and we kind of bounced up. So this is the 1 minute chart, so it's not like a super strong trend line or anything, but it chopped around the VWAP and the 21 EMA. And once it cracked, I entered at like the 47, so I kind of got a late fill, not really, but um and then we this candle, I don't know if news came out or what. I looked at the market, like the news and everything. There was no news scheduled for today, so especially at 9:53, it was such an odd time. Someone probably tweeted out something. I'm a little worried about that with Trump's presidency, when he like just randomly announces stuff or signs something, or whatever it could be. The market is going to react to that. So when you're in trades, I don't know, it might be a tough thing to deal with, but I'm glad he's back in office. Anyways, so yeah, we entered short at the 47s, the crack of the trend line. I was just kind of looking for a push down to the 14s, and then maybe a bounce back up to retest the VWAP. Well, anyways, this candle absolutely dropped. Like I said, this was a split second trade. It was a very quick trade. We were up like 6,000. I think we were up like $7,000, $8,000 at one point, and I auto exited out because I panicked. And if you're trading with Apex has a 30% consistency rule for your profit days. And so like my biggest day was $3,000, so I had to have like $10,000 in profit. Well, now that I have $6,000 in profit, you have to have like $22,000 in overall profit to request a payout. Um, the good news about that, so the good news about making $6,000, we're up $19,000 on the month with Apex. Um, sorry, I feel like the light is very bright for the camera. Anyways, so yeah, we're up $19,000 on the account today. I'm recording this Wednesday, the 22nd, so this is the day after it happened. I couldn't, like I said, I was having issues with OBS, and it wasn't working, just not picking up my mic or something. So, anyways, we had a payout request. Oh, not payout method. We had a payout request Friday, the 18th, I believe, maybe the 17th. We were denied. Why were we denied? Well, we broke the rule in the beginning of the account. So like our first day, like I said, we had that $2,200 loss. And then even our second day, we had another, couple big losses. So, and I even think maybe Friday we had some big losses. No, not Friday. Maybe no, no. So I guess the first and second day we had some big losses. Um, oh, maybe it was Sunday too. No. Well, anyways. So yeah, we had some big losses. We broke the 30% loss limit rule. Um, that's fine. I'm okay with being denied that first payout. Like I said, we kind of we broke the rules. You can't get paid if you're not going to follow the rules. So that's 100% fine with me. We are up $19,000 in the account. So Apex, if we're requesting every 8 days and we're approved for those 8 days, our max limit that we're capped at is $2,750. Now you have to make it to 6 payouts before you can request like your full balance or like no cap. Like, if I'm at 25,000, I can request a $5,000 payout. So, but anyways, so 2,750 times that by 6. How much money do we need in there? We need $16,500. We're above that by like 3,000 almost. So I'm super happy about that. We have our like max payouts locked in. We just have to, cycle through the 8 days, request the payouts, hopefully get approved. I don't think there's no reason they shouldn't approve my next payouts just because we're following. So now that we have double our drawdown, we have more than 50%, or we have a 50% loss limit rule, and then we just have to follow the 30% consistency rule. So since my biggest day is now $6,619, if we take our calculator, 6,619, divide that by 30%, we need to have $22,063 before we can request another payout. The way my trading has been, I don't think it's going to be an issue to get to 23, 25, $30,000. So I will be able to trade today, I'll be able to trade Thursday, and then these 4 days next week. So we got 6 more trading days. I won't be able to trade Fridays, unfortunately. I'll use them as like a flipping day, basically. Yeah, so that is just crazy. I'm trading with bigger size just because I'm up so much in profit. I think I'm okay to take a $2,000-$3,000 hit sometimes. Yeah, so I'm very selective on my trades. Like I said, we waited for that one trend line break. I will say Monday was a little bit rough. We had 4 losing trades, so that was a little bit of a struggle. We were down about $1,500, about $1,600 at one point, and then we made it all back plus an extra $200. So that was pretty sweet. Like I said, I was trading, I believe CPI data came out or something like that. Monday morning news, it was around 8:30, and I traded some choppy action. And yeah, so anyways, but I love it that I can go down, in the red, and then I can find a good opportunity, take that opportunity and get back to green, or, get back to even. So I'm super happy about that, super thankful. I can't believe I'm up $20,000 almost. I'm up $19,322.86 on the month. That is unbelievable. And I'm not taking a bunch of trades. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 trades last week, and we were able to make almost $10,000. And this week I'm at 7 trades, and we're at 6,900 almost. Of course, yesterday was a big day, not planning to make that much money. I did take I took the trade with 10 contracts traded 10 right there. Why did I take it with 10 contracts? It was a trend line break. I felt like we were gonna go down, and especially since it was the VWAP and 21 EMA chopping area. And then once we cracked the trend line, that's exactly what we did. Like you saw in the video of the live trade. Um, yeah, I mean it was just kind of crazy because, like I said, I wasn't expecting it to go down that fast. I panic sold. I hit the exit market cancel button on my Trade of 8, like you can see me doing. It took a second to go through, so I'm like, oh no, is Trade of 8 having some issues? Yeah, so, and I did put my stop in. I think I was willing to risk like $1,000 or $2,000 on the trade. So, which is only 5 to 10 points when you're trading 10 contracts. So it's not much. It's not a big stop. But yeah, so I think going forward, I might just scale back to 5 contracts and try to hit those 15 points. That's $1,500. That's a lot of money a day on trading. So we just can't request a payout until the 30th. So yeah, sorry I'm not going over my strategy. I mean, there's not much strategy there. You'd literally trade a trend line. Like I said, if we open up TradingView, So this is our range. This is our 15-minute range. We kind of just went down. So you got the 21 EMA there. This is the 1 minute chart. Um, so yeah, we kind of just rejected the 21 EMA. It came down to the 70s. This was kind of a support area that I kind of marked out. And once we broke through that, we went down. We crossed over VWAP pretty easily. And so once we made a low, right, we chopped back up into the middle. That's good. I wanted to see that. And I really wanted this big break down. We didn't really get that. I did take this trade with another account. These three, just based off of watching the price action candles, I didn't want to take that break. So yeah, and then this candle here, it kind of just it rejected the 21 EMA, right? So it chopped around here, rejected the 21 EMA, and then once it broke through, I took it, and I believe I had a limit sell at like the 580s, and I rode that sucker down to the 550s, I believe. I did give up, I gave up 50 points. I could have had a 50-point play there. Uh, I've never had a 50-point play. My biggest trade actually on the year is the 33-point play that was right here. So, but anyways, yeah, I took that on another account. It was good money. I was happy to see that. It's my favorite play right there. Rejection of the 21 EMA. We're below the VWAP, and then we just go straight down. So I was kind of hoping we were going to go lower, but it popped back up. So no problem there. But yeah, that was my game plan yesterday. We put in a trend line, we cracked the trend line, and we went down. So yeah. Today, I'm not sure how today's going to go. Like I said, this is Wednesday. I made that trade yesterday, Tuesday, the 21st. We had some earnings last night. Earnings, we shot straight up. I know some friends that actually had some MNQs that were placed in here, and I'm sure they're doing very well with it being up. I don't even know how much it's up. How much is it up? It's up like 200 points right now. So the NASDAQ just going higher. Maybe I try to find a trend line on a higher time frame, wait for that to crack, or maybe I'll look at some older support and resistance areas. So yeah, anyways, that's just crazy that we're up $19,000 on the month. And I'll show you my Trade of 8 too. So this is my Trade of 8. It's not a fake account. It's an Apex PA account up here. We're up 19,000. We have $19,223 in drawdown, and up we go. So I'm curious to see this month. Yeah, wow. So we've made $32,000 in profit, but we've had $12,000 in loss. So hey, losses are a part of trading. I 100% believe that every loss is a lesson in the market, and it shows you what you can do better. So anyways, I'm going to stop yapping. I have links in the description below if you want to check out Apex. They're running a 50% off sale. Don't buy that. Wait for them to come out with an 80% because it's bound to happen. They are in a lawsuit. Kind of makes me worried. I don't like that. But anyways, we're going to keep trading with them. I have the account with Take Profit Trader. Probably not going to have that for very long, actually, because I didn't realize. So that 15-minute range that I took, we took that with Take Profit Trader. We got up to like $2,000 or something like that, and I accidentally left one contract on, and it came up to my break even. So now I have like $400 worth of drawdown. So that's going to be a tough one to handle. I might buy another account with them just because I'm interested in the daily payouts. But anyways, yeah, we're going to keep trading with Apex. I'm going to try to get some top step counts rolling. I'd like to get one payout from at least Apex. I mean, we have a bunch of money in here. I'd like to get paid out. So $19,000. That's crazy. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to stop yapping. And yeah, hopefully your trading is going well. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I hope you have a great day. Now, how do I exit this new platform? Where did it go? There we go.